You're tired. You're frustrated. You've done everything you could, and still, life keeps throwing punches. You're standing there wondering, why am I even trying? But hear me out. You're still here. You're still breathing. And that means your story isn't done yet. Every champion you admire, every name you respect, once stood exactly where you're standing right now. Broken, defeated, ready to give up. But they didn't. They looked at the pain and said, "You don't get to decide when I quit. Life will test you. It will break you down and rebuild you from the dust again and again. And every time you think you've reached your limit, life will whisper, 'Let's see how much more you've got.'" The truth is, most people don't lose because they're weak. They lose because they stop showing up. They lose because they let fear convince them that average is safer than greatness. But you were never built for mediocrity. You were built for war. You were built to outlast the noise, outwork the doubt, and outgrow the version of yourself that keeps whispering, "Maybe tomorrow." No, not tomorrow. Now. You have one life, one shot, and every moment you waste questioning yourself is a moment you'll never get back. So stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Stop waiting for the right time. It doesn't exist. Stop shrinking to fit into spaces that were never meant for your size of dream. Because when your time is up, it won't be your failures that haunt you. It'll be your what-ifs. What if I tried harder? What if I didn't quit? What if I had the courage to bet on myself? Listen, the world owes you nothing. No one is coming to rescue you. No one will fight your battles for you. This life, this one short, unpredictable, beautiful life, is your responsibility. You've got to dig deep and feed your soul with belief when the world gives you none. You've got to learn to stand tall even when no one claps for you. You've got to build discipline when motivation runs dry. Because growth doesn't come from comfort. It comes from chaos. It comes from fighting through nights where you cry yourself to sleep and still wake up ready to go again. That's what makes you unstoppable. Yes, you'll lose people. You'll lose comfort. You'll lose the old version of you. But what you'll gain is freedom. Freedom from fear, freedom from doubt, freedom from the chains that kept you average. And that, my friend, is worth everything. So here's my challenge for you. From this day forward, stop living like you have time. Stop waiting for permission. Stop apologizing for your fire. Stand up, look at the mirror, and remind yourself, I was born for more. Because you are. And when life knocks you down again, and it will, get up and whisper, "I'm not done yet." You have one life. Don't waste it chasing comfort. Don't waste it trying to fit in. Use it to rise, to fight, to inspire, to live. I believe in you. Now it's time you believe in yourself. So go out there and conduct your business and subscribe for more.